Hi guys! Welcome back to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Today we will learn how to draw Airpods icon in Adobe Illustrator. So, without further ado, let's get started. Document size 1000 pixel width and 1000 pixel height. Press A, Direct Selection tool, and select both right top and right bottom corner, then make it rounded. Resize it if you think it looks too bigger. Press eyedropper tool, and click the square to make the earbud have the same color. Send it to the back with Ctrl and left square bracket on Windows or Command and left square bracket on Mac. Use Ctrl and right square bracket on Windows or Command and right square bracket on Mac if you want to send it to the front. Select both object and click Align Vertical Align Center. Adjust the shape until you're satisfied with the result. Press plus, add anchor point tool, to add point. Select all the AirPod, duplicate and go to Object, Transform, Reflect, Vertical. Go to Object, Offset Path and fill it with -12 pixel. Remove the color and change stroke color into white. Press plus, add anchor point tool, to add some point. We need to remove this line segment. Press Shift and C, anchor point tool, you can select the line segment and press delete. Let's do the same with the right bud. Reduce the opacity into 30%. Airpods has been done.